Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping for fall trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So the first trend we're seeing everywhere is embellished tops and pants and skirts. This top from Free Assembly has the smaller collar button, has the pearls with the rhinestones, the little shoulder detail with the button on the wrist, a little bit of a scoop in the back with the seam. Comes in the pink and white stripe, also the solid white, and they're going to be $26. These tops from Free Assembly are also very embellished with the pearls. It's a t-shirt material with the oversized poplin sleeve. Has the little keyhole in the back. These are $16. Comes in black and then also in the white. Sequin skirts from Scoop. So these have the side zip. They have the band at the top, that complete sequin look, and then the same fit through the back. It comes in the black, also in the green, another trend we're seeing, and they are going to be $28. How cute are these new bow dresses from No Boundaries? So it's strapless, has the elastic, that oversized bow, nice stretchy material through the front and the back. So it comes in the red, and how good is its black sequins? They're $18.98. Denim with embellishment from Jessica Simpson. This has this little shimmer through the side, has the whiskering fitted through the ankle, and then pockets on the back. These are $29.50. Sneak peek denim from Madden NYC. These have the embellished little cargo pockets. So it has the button zip, feeding through the leg, wide and flowy. This is the 2XL. There it is in the extra small. So they are more of an oversized fit. In the denim, they also have the black with the rhinestones, and these are $25. Sneak peek denim from Madden NYC with all of the rhinestones. These are high rise. They have the rhinestone with the flare leg feeding through the front and then a little bit in the back. In the blue denim, also comes in the black with the black kind of crystal and silver, and these are $23.50. Also rhinestone jeans from No Boundaries. So these are high rise, straight through the leg, no rhinestones on the back. I really love these, and they are going to be $17.98. Sequin skirts from Time and True. These have that elastic waistband, pencil style with the slit. Same kind of fit through the back, in the black, also in the gold, and they're $16.98. New holiday hat and scarf sets from Time and True. So they have the rhinestone beanie with the scarf in the burgundy, also in black. And they don't have a price. And then a pearl option with the little ball, the pearl scarf in the black and ivory. Next trend we're seeing is a lot of velvet. It's really common for the holidays. These pants are from Sofia Vergara. They're also in that wide leg style, so those are also on trend. Has the side button zip, the side pocket, nice and relaxed with the trouser style pocket. In the black, also comes in brown, and they are $28. Seeing a new skirt set from No Boundaries. So this one has the little cami. It's a squared back with the adjustable straps. The skirts pull on with the sheer. I'm seeing a lot of looks, especially in Europe, with these kind of skirts with like an oversized t-shirt. And the two pieces are $14.98. It comes in the black and then also in the burgundy. And to match, they have the blazer. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, the oversized button, drop sleeve, relaxed to the wrist, completely lined, really good length in the black and brown, and they are regularly $39. Also in the velvet are these sets from Jessica Simpson. So this has that smaller collar, button on the wrist, full button. This is the extra small, so you can see it's super oversized. And then the same kind of fit through the back, the same detail. Comes in the brown, also in black, and these are $24. And then to match, they have these jogger pants. So these have an elastic waistband, side pocket, the cargo pocket with the jogger style bottom, flat pockets in the back. In both those colors, the brown and the black. and they're $28. This is new denim from Jessica Simpson, and it has the little velvet kind of embellishment. So there's rhinestones and the velvet. These are high rise, straight through the leg, pockets on the back, and they're $29.50. It's a slim straight cut. Also new dresses from Madden NYC, and these have that velvet embellishment. Thin strap, square neckline. It's fitted through the body, midi length, and then open in the black. Also comes in red, and they are going to be $18. That's what it looks like on. Also in the velvet is this dress from Scoop. This has that higher neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, has a little ruching on the side. This one is $28. It has the same fit through the back with the seam detailing, also has a zipper. And then the pants have the elastic waistband, the pork chop pockets, flared at the bottom, and then that same kind of fit through the back. Do not wait on these. They usually sell out online. The pants are $16.98, but if you want to get the matching set, make sure you don't wait. But they're all the same colors, that blue, burgundy, black, and green. Also new velour sets from Time and True. So these are ribbed, that wrap style front drop sleeve, banded wrist with the kangaroo pocket, also has the banded bottom, hood in the back. In the green, there's black, blue, and the burgundy, and they are going to be $16.98. Sneak peek jumpsuit from Jessica Simpson in the velvet. So this has the thicker strap, that squared neckline, the one pocket, seam detail straight through the leg, and then it ties in the back. Kind of like an overalls look, and these are $34. New velvet blazers from Free Assembly. So these have a smaller collar, lapel, the one button, this little slotted pocket, relaxed through the wrist, completely lined, and then good length through the back with the seam detail. These are going to be $39. Also in the velvet is this dress from Celebrity Pink. So it has the square neckline smocking, balloon style with the smocking on the wrist with the balloon sleeve. Comes in the burgundy, also in black, and they are going to be $21.50. Holiday hair clips from Time and True. These little velvet blows with the pearl and the green, black, pink, and red, and they're $6.97. New slip skirts from No Boundaries. So these have this really pretty little scallop elastic trim at the top. It has a leopard velvet kind of texture, midi length, seam fit through the back, and they're only $11.98. Next trend we're seeing is corduroy. This is also in that oversized jacket cut, which I'm seeing a lot. It has a smaller collar, snap buttons, the two pockets with the button on the wrist, scoops in the back with it seam detailing in the camel, also comes in the gray, and they're $27.50. Straight leg corduroys from No Boundaries. These look like they're a high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, flat pocket through the leg, and then pockets on the back. In the brown, also comes in the burgundy, and they are $17.95. New corduroy skirts from Time and True. So these have the button, zip, belt loop, side pocket, seam detailing through the front. It's about a midi length, so a little past the knee, with trouser style pockets on the back. In the black, also comes in the camel, and they're $17.98. Also new corduroy pants from Free Assembly. So these have a tortoise button, side pocket. It's a relaxed leg with pockets on the back. In the ivory, also comes in black, and they are going to be $29. Also in the corduroy are these flares from No Boundaries. They're high rise. They have the pork chop pocket fitted through the leg, and then the perfect amount of flare at the bottom. Pockets on the back. In this brown, another trend is the chocolate brown, and these are $14.98. Also new and on trend, we got the camo, the cargo, and the corduroy with the pork chop pocket. Also has that toggle at the waist. You can also do jogger style or straight leg, and these are $17.98, and they also come in the gray. New corduroy wide leg pants from Celebrity Pink. These are high rise. They have the side pocket nice and flowy with the seam detail, pockets in the back. In the gold, also comes in burgundy, and they're $18.50. Also no velour little like pinafore outfit. So this one has the adjustable strap, scoop neckline, full buttons. The back has that same kind of scoop. Comes in the burgundy, also in the black faux leather. and these are going to be $17.50. Another trend is short sleeve or puff sleeve. This one's from Free Assembly. It has that crew neckline, has the short sleeve sweater, which I saw, I think maybe Vogue somewhere I read that this is a trend right now. Cable knit, the ribbed sleeve, and then it's not cable knit through the back in the ivory, also in the navy. So I guess if you're in cooler climate, you can layer it, and these are $22. Also in that balloon style is this one from Free Assembly. It has the crew neckline, oversized balloon sleeve. It's a poplin material. Now we're seeing it in the red. We also saw it in this plaid, and they're going to be $24. And then also new from Free Assembly is this little like twist poplin. So it also has the puff sleeve, flowy tiers all the way down through the front and the back. And these are $36. New balloon sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline. It has the gathering. It's a poplin material with the elastic belt. And then it's flowy with pockets. Ties in the back. Also has the smocking to pull it in with a zipper in the red. Also comes in black. And they're $36. Next trend is going to be the color green. We're seeing it everywhere in all different shades. This dress is from Free Assembly. Has that scoop neckline, relaxed through the wrists. It's also relaxed through the body. If you wanted a little more fitted, you could size down, and it ties in the back. These are $26 in the green and then also in the black. Another sneak peek item. This is a ribbed sweater dress from Scoop, and so it has the square neckline, the bell sleeve. It's fitted with the slit. This is the extra large, there's the extra small. In the olive, also comes in black, and they're $34. Next look, this is a sneak peek item from Time and True. So they brought back these turtlenecks. This year they have a hatchy kind of waffled material. They fold over, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. It has that scoop in the back for leggings. It's a nice kind of relaxed fit. I like the material this year. It's a lot softer. So it comes in the green. There's purple and gray. They're $14.98. Also new knit cardigan or sweater from No Boundaries. So this has a crew neckline. It's open knit. It's really pretty. It's what it looks like up close. And then they layered it with a rib tank underneath. So that one has that scoop. Nice length. You could probably take them apart. In the green, also in that mushroom. They also have solid black. The mushroom color has a white tank. And they're going to be $15.98. New flutter sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has that ruffled neckline, the ruffled trim. It's a dolman sleeve. Buttons up into the waist with the elastic. It's a flowy fit with a drop tiered skirt. And then the same fit through the bottom. In the green plaid with a little hint of pink. They also have solid black. And they are going to be $34. New little skirts from No Boundaries. So this comes with the belt, the little frayed hem. It is a true skirt, so you have to wear your shorts underneath because it is a little on the shorter end. Comes in the green, also in the khaki, and they're $11.98. But really cute for the price. Metallics are also on trend. These are cargos from No Boundaries. They have the button, zip, side pocket, flat pocket. No pockets on the back. In the silver, also comes in the pink, and these are $17.98. And then also sneak peek vests. These are from No Boundaries. They have that mock neck, that same kind of metallic, completely lined with the side pockets in the silver, also in that pink. And these are $14.98. New shimmer bodysuits from Sophia. So these have that thick strap, that scoop neckline. It's fitted through the body in a thong style back. And they are $18. Also in the metallic are these boots from No Boundaries. So these have that pointed toe, chunky heel, the zipper on the outside. These are on sale for $24.98, regularly $29.98. They also come in the ivory. Sherpa trim is back for 2024. This one's from Celebrity Pink. It has that Sherpa collar with the Sherpa trim, side pocket, button detail on the wrist, that same kind of seam detailing in the back. This one is going to be $27.50. Then also in that similar listing is this one. So this one has the little like fur collar, but it's also fur through the front, the two front pockets, button through the front with the button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back, this one's also $27.50. I just shared these Sherpa little jackets from No Boundaries. They're really plush, full zip with the hood, the elastic wrist, has that same kind of fit through the back, in the brown with this leopard, the pink with the hearts. We saw some other ones at the other store though. Ivory has the cable knit, and they are going to be $12.98. This little Sherpa style coat from Jessica Simpson has the oversized collar, lapel, the rhinestone button, completely lined. This is the medium, so it is more of an oversized fit, and they're $44. Time and True corduroy coats also have that Sherpa style collar. So these have a snap button, 2 flat pockets, drop sleeve, the button on the wrist's a shorter fit, and then the seam through the back in the blue, the black with the black trim, camel with the ivory, and then ivory with the ivory, and they're $29.98. Also in that Sherpa is this coat from Scoop. So this has that top buckle, zip, the side pocket, relax through the wrist, and then the same kind of fit through the back. This one's gonna be $50. Also from Time and True in that similar Sherpa little like patches. Has that mock neck, the ribbed wrist, kangaroo pockets, more of an oversized fit. In the green, also in the ivory, and they are $17.98. Also with the Sherpa trim are these coats from Scoop. So they have that oversized collar, the side zip, with the same kind of trim all on the inside. The whole lining has the side pocket, the little relaxed wrist with the trim at the bottom. We saw this one in another color, and they are going to be $54. Pretty is this little jacket from Free Assembly. So it has really nice pipe detailing. It's super soft. Has the snap buttons, the 2 little faux pockets, more of a boxy fit, and these are $30. How cute are these no coats from Free Assembly? So it has a Sherpa oversized collar, zip, quilted, and this corduroy material has the snap pockets, relax through the wrist, really nice length, and they're $45. I think there's a new color in this faux fur jacket. Saw it in the black, now I'm seeing it in this brown. So it has the oversized collar, snap buttons, relax through the wrist, and they are going to be $31. This faux suede jacket from Time and True, it has an oversized collar, zipped, completely lined with this plush material, side pockets, shorter boxy fit. These are $34.98. So it comes in that suede material, also in the black with the faux leather. New pullover from Time and True. This one has that mock neck when it's zipped up all the way. Has this ribbed top with the plush bottom, side pocket, banded wrist, nice and oversized. This is the large with that same kind of fit through the back. And these are going to be $19.98. Also in the Sherpa are these little crossbody bags. So this is a sling style from No Boundaries. Has that top zip, $12.97. Also comes in the black and brown. I have it in this waist style for $11.98. It comes in the nylon and the butterfly, salad black, the velvet, like corduroy style, which we're also seeing on trend. And then the burgundy, also $11.98. And then this style, it's like a little smaller, thinner version, $11.94, and it also comes in the green. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.